Welcome back from that short break. We are still moving on with more examples on repeated factors of partial fractions. So we are going to example 3, which reads express 5x squared minus 6x minus 21 all over x minus 4 the whole of it squared into 2x minus 3 in partial fraction. Where is our repeated factor? Is appearing on x minus 4 squared. But being in mind, x minus 4 is still under a linear. So we are going to have 5x squared minus 6x minus 21 all over x minus 4 squared into 2x minus 3 is the same as a out of x minus 4 plus b out of x minus 4 squared plus c out of 2x minus 3. So can we find the LCM? The LCM is like this. So what are we going to have? We're going to have 5x squared minus 6x minus 21 is the same as a into a is going to take up this and one part, a into 2x minus 3 into x minus 4 plus b is only taking up b into 2x minus 3 plus c into x minus 4 squared. So we say using the covering up method, we are using the covering up method, we are going to have 5 into, can start by saying, can we eliminate if x equals 4? We are having 5 into 4 squared minus 6 into 4 minus 21 equals a into 4 minus 4, it is affecting that, plus b into 2 times 4, you are getting 8 minus that is 5, plus c into 0. The whole of this 5 times 16, that is 80 minus 20 minus 24, again minus 21, we are coming out with 35 equals 5b. So what is b alone? B alone equals 7. We'll still go ahead. How can I eliminate another one? If x equals, how can I eliminate this one? Is by putting in 3 by 2. If x equals 3 out of 2. So can we substitute to get 5 into 3 over 2 squared minus 6 into 3 over 2 minus 21 equals a into 3 out of 2 times that, we are getting a into 0 plus b still into 0 plus c into 3 over 2 minus 4 the whole of it squared. So can we try to expand our stuffs? We are going to have 5 into 3 out of 2 squared minus 6 into 3 out of 2 minus 21. We are coming out with negative 75 out of 4. Here we have got negative 75 out of 4 equals, can we go ahead and also look at 3 out of 2 minus a 4, we are coming out with negative 5 out of 2. When you expand, we are coming out with 25 out of 4 c. 4 reduces, we are remaining with 25c equals negative 75. We divide out by 25. So c alone gives us a negative 3. So I've got the value of c as negative 3. Then we are free to substitute in any value of x which we want. I can say if x equals 0. So we are substituting in, we are getting 5 into 0 squared minus 6 into 0 minus 21 equals, we are having a into 2 times a 0, we are getting a 0, minus 3 times that, we are getting positive 12, then plus 2 times a 0, we are getting negative 3b, then 0 minus a 4, we are getting a negative 4, 0 minus 4, we are getting a 16, so which becomes plus 16c. So what we're going to do, we are going to still reduce. We are getting negative 21 equals 12a minus 3b plus 16c. Can we substitute in the values of b and the values of c? So we are getting negative 21 equals 12a minus 3 into 7 plus 16 into negative 3. So we are getting negative 21 equals 12a minus 21 minus 48. So can we try to look at that? This and this disappears. We are going to have 12a equals 48. So a alone equals a 4. So after getting the value of a, b and c, we are free to substitute them. We say therefore 5x squared minus 6x minus 21 all over x minus 4 squared into 2x minus 3 is the same as, do we know the value of a? The value of a is already got, which is 4 out of x minus 4. Do we know the value of b? Is already 7 plus a 7 out of x minus 4 squared. Do we know the value of c? Is already a minus 3 out of 2x minus 3. So you can see we have tried to express it in the required passive fraction, having in mind that the denominator has got what we call a repeated factor. That's what we do when it comes to such kind of the numbers.